Okay, so it's been almost 11 minutes. What's it feel like?
Doesn't feel bad.
Okay.
Doesn't feel bad.
Go ahead and deflate the button for me. And then I'm gonna have you unstrap the two straps, the top and the bottom. Here are these little squeeze, there you go.
Let's see what's.
Yeah. And then the ones under your hips. And before you actually sit up,
Yeah.
you know, so this would be a time where we just did the decompression. Go ahead and bend your feet and your knees so that your feet are on the floor. Yep. Bring your feet together for me and your knees together. And you're gonna give me just kind of a small side to side rock. And so the idea behind doing a small rock like this is you're not stretching. What you're doing is you're taking that lumbar spine. The discs, the fibers of the discs are oriented in a circular fashion. So we're going parallel with that circular fashion, that motion, not to the end of the range of motion, but just enough that we're kind of warming the tissue, lubricating the joints, getting everything ready. You do 20 or so of these, take a little break, and then the other one I'm going to ask you to do is just tighten the abdomen. Doesn't matter too much what or how you do it. You don't have to move your pelvis. Just kind of tighten the stomach as if somebody poked you, and then relax, and then tighten, and relax. Let's do about 10 of them. So you did 2 already. That's it. And again, we're just kind of warming up these muscles a little, you know, because you've been laying in this position for a while. Before we get up to go, just for now, we want to kind of get some of these structures, get the nervous system to feel these structures again. One more. All right, then take your time. I'm going to let you get up however you feel most comfortable getting up. So what did that feel like?
It's okay. No,
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not in any pain or anything.
Okay, come on, let's go exercise. At home, what I would do is I would leave it set up, find a spot on the floor, set it up, leave it set up.
Right.
When you're done, you just pack it back together.
Slide it under the bed
You can do that.
so the grandchildren don't find it.
And that's it. Like, it doesn't fold, it doesn't do anything. I'm gonna put it in a carrying case so that you can take it with you just like this.
Okay. Now, should I bring it back whenever my next appointment is?
I would not. I would tell you, use it at home. Use it over the next week or two. And see how you respond. You know, every week for you has gotten better. What did we say? Is this week 3?
No, actually, 2. This is 2.
Coming toward the end of 2?
Yeah, this into 2.
So, you know, by week 3, you're going to be better. By week 4, you're probably going to be like, I feel great. When you feel great, you don't need it anymore.
Gotcha.
It's the kind of device that, you know, if you have a recurrence, it's absolutely worth getting one for home. Because then you just pull it out as soon as you feel that and you start using it. Some people use it for maintenance. Some people use it when they flare up. That's kind of a decision for you, you know. But